Now, internal fertilization takes place in hens. We read that there are two types of fertilization, external and internal fertilization. Now, the internal fertilization takes place in hens, but we know that hens do not give birth to babies, they lay eggs. So, how are chicks born? Now, fertilization in the hen takes place inside the body of the hen. Soon after fertilization, the zygote develops repeatedly and travels down the oviduct inside the mother. As it travels down, many layers are formed, just like in the humans. The oviduct, fertilization, after that, then the embryo develops in the uterus. So, the embryo or the zygote in the body of the hen travels down. This hard shell in the hen forms the egg. So it develops layers around it, and these layers become hard inside the body of the hen, and then it forms a shell. The hard shell is the eggshell. This is also one of the hard protective layer which protects the egg. Now when the hard shell is formed around the embryo, the hen lays the egg. So in a way, the fertilization inside the hen is internal, but the development of embryo takes place inside the eggshell, which takes place outside the body of the hen. The hen lays the egg. The embryo inside the eggshell will take 3 weeks to develop into a chick. Now these 3 weeks are when the egg which is out of the body of the hen, then it has to be laid. That means the egg has to be given warmth. This warmth will make the embryo get the warmth condition, and under the favorable condition of temperature and food, the embryo will start growing and it will form the chicken. This embryo takes 3 weeks to develop into a chick. Now you must have seen the hen sitting on the eggs. So when the hen sits on it, it provides warmth to the egg, and the warmth helps the embryo to grow. Now what happens if the hen has laid the egg and the egg is removed from there? So the embryo is still inside. Till the time the embryo is inside, it is alive. Now if you eat the egg, then the embryo is dead. If there is fertilized, now hen's body produces egg every time. One egg in alternate days produced. If it is fertilized, then it will form a chick. If it is not fertilized, then the hen will not lay the egg. The egg will be normally destroyed inside the body of the hen. This egg which is laid, then it is warmed. Now what is done? Either the hen has to sit and provide warmth, or the people who are doing this work of hatchery, they collect large amount of egg from the hens and they collect it in a incubator, which is a small machine in which heat is given, temporary artificial heat is given, and then the eggs hatch out. Development of the chick takes place inside the eggshell, we know it. So but the growth of the embryo takes place outside the body of the hen, inside the eggshell.